Hello guys, this is Family Man. Welcome to my channel. This tutorial is on how you can use OBS Studio to record your screen. Everything you need to know as a starter or as a professional about OBS Studio. First of all, if you want to download the application, look at the website. If you have the website address, you can put it on your browser and it will bring you to the this website. You can go to Google, type OBS Studio, the first link that appears, you click on it. You can also look at my video description below to see the website address. And after downloading, when you install it, when you open it, look at how the interface look like. But this picture here appears because I am currently using it to record the screen. When you open it for the first time, here is blank. This place is blank. So the first thing you need to do is, if you want to use the application, the first thing you need to do is to input the screen, the send name, and you do that by clicking on right click and clicking on the add button, or you come to this add button down here and click on it. So once you click on it, it will prompt out a small window like this where you input the send name, or you leave the default name which has been suggested. The second thing you need to do is you come here, you input the display capture and the audio input capture. You can do that by clicking on right click and click on add and select the audio input capture and as well as the display capture. We have many things that you can select here based on the ones you need, but me currently what I need is this display capture and audio input capture. And the second thing here, we have the mixer. Under mixer is for you to select, is for you to set your microphone. The microphone you're using is for you to set it. So you have here, for the audio input capture, we have some settings here. If you click on it, you see several settings that you can do to your microphone. Then the next is send transition. As you can see, I'm having only one send here. If you have more than one send, you can come to send transition here and click on send transition. So to set the transition of the sends. So after that, we have the control button. Under control button, we have the start streaming. If you want to stream, you can click here. And we also have start recording and stop recording. I cannot click on stop recording because I'm currently using it to record. And we also have the studio mode here. If you want to do some settings while streaming, you can click on the studio mode. And here we have some settings. We have some general settings that you can do. Under this, we have general settings. If you click on the settings, there is general settings, stream, output, audio, video, hotkeys, advanced settings. Under this general, we have things like the language, if you want to set the language, and so many other things. Under streaming, there are also some settings if you want to change the default setting. Then we have the output. If you want to change the quality of the output, file output, you can come here and do some changes. This we have like the file format. You can change the file format. This one is I'm currently using it, so I cannot be able to change the file format. But before you start using it, you can be able to change the file format. We also have the audio. You can also set the audio here. We also have the video. You can set the resolutions and so on and so forth for the video. And we have hotkeys. You can decide to put any key as a hotkey. Maybe you can put C. Whenever you press C, the application will start recording automatically. Then we also have advanced settings. You can do any other settings that you want here on the advanced settings. And when you are done, you click on OK to save the changes that you have made. So that is how OBS Studio works. Thanks for listening. Thank you for watching the video, and thanks for listening. Please don't forget to hit the like button and as well as subscribe. If you are in, say we are family. Thanks for watching.